Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss an important Gmail attachment, enabling attachment notifications is essential. In this quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to turn on attachment notifications in Gmail on your Android phone with the latest steps. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head over to your settings. You can find the Settings app in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping on the gear icon. Next, scroll through the menu and select Apps. Here, you'll see a list of every installed application on your device. Keep scrolling until you find Gmail. Look for the familiar red and white envelope icon and tap on it. Once you're inside the Gmail app settings, locate and tap on Notifications. This menu controls all notification options specifically for Gmail, making it easy to customize how and what you're notified about. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This section organizes different types of notifications Gmail can send to your device, allowing for more detailed control. Look for a category labeled Miscellaneous. Under this group, you should see an option called Attachments. This is the feature you want to enable to get notified whenever an email with an attachment comes in. To finish, simply toggle the attachment switch to the On position. When it turns blue or green, this means attachment notifications are now active. From now on, you'll receive dedicated alerts whenever you get an email with an attachment, so you never miss an important file again. And that's it. You've just made sure that every time someone sends you a file or document in Gmail, your phone will notify you right away. Just check your notification panel when you hear a ping. It could be that important attachment you've been waiting for. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother Gmail experience.